Most construction projects don't fail because people are careless. They fail because uncertainty gets priced as certainty. And once that happens, the number looks solid, but the risk hasn't gone anywhere. A lot of people believe that if an estimate looks detailed, if it's broken down line by line, then it must be reliable. But detail is not the same thing as accuracy. An estimate can be very detailed and still be fundamentally wrong if the assumptions behind it are weak, incomplete, or untested. This is where most estimates quietly fail. Estimates usually don't break on materials. They break on things people assume will work themselves out. Scope that isn't fully defined. Schedule pressure that's treated as manageable. Incomplete drawings. Unknown site conditions. Decisions deferred until later. Each one on its own seems small. Together they compound. The estimate doesn't account for the risk of interaction, how one uncertainty makes another more expensive. There's one phrase that shows up on almost every troubled project. We'll figure it out later. What that really means is, and later is always more expensive than now. Later is when options are gone. Later is when schedules are locked. Later is when risk turns into cost. A strong estimate doesn't try to eliminate uncertainty. It acknowledges it. It identifies where information is missing. It highlights assumptions. It shows where risk lives instead of hiding it in a number. The most expensive mistakes in construction don't come from bad math. They come from pretending uncertainty doesn't exist. If you want better outcomes, start by asking a better question. What are we assuming, and what happens if we're wrong? That's where real estimating begins. Construction explained. Clear thinking before construction starts.